Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about upgrading the subscription to your antivirus. And this is something that has come to my attention. Now, most of us should, or most of you, I should say, should have some type of antivirus, anti-malware protection on your computer. Nowadays, you cannot afford not to have something. When it comes to protection for my PCs, personally, I do not skimp on it. I have a very heightened sense of awareness when it comes to trying to protect my devices, and I do not want to take any chances on anything coming through that could possibly corrupt my system or damage it, or ransomware or anything that could wipe out my entire system. And that's why I always stress about making a backup for your systems. It is your responsibility to make certain that your programs, apps, pictures, videos, music, all that stuff is backed up in a secure place, whether it's in the cloud or on an external device. I'm going to show you something or talk to you about a neat trick that was discovered by one of my subscribers. When it comes to antivirus programs, whether you get Norton, McAfee, what you have to understand is that when you buy these programs, they come with a subscription. Most of the time, it's just a one-year subscription. And as you can see here, I'm on Office Depot's website, and this is a Norton Antivirus Plus for one device for 1 year subscription. Now, what that means is that after 1 year that this program has been installed on your computer, Norton is going to be popping up windows on your computer telling you, oh, you have X amount of days until your subscription expires. Click here to renew. And it's usually a link, a hyperlink button that you click on, and it'll take you to Norton's website where you can renew the product. Sometimes the renewal is anywhere from $30 to $50. That's how things used to be back then. You had to renew right there pretty much in the program. There was no, downloading the programs. Everything came in disk form, and you had to renew. It would send a signal to Norton servers, and then it would update you to another year of the subscription. Things are still relatively the same in that manner, except there are no disks involved, and things are now downloaded onto your computer since we have high-speed internet. If it asks you about renewing the product, like if you're coming up on a renewal date, do not renew. The program will still work as long as the subscription is active. Once you hit 0, then the subscription stops working. The program will work, but you won't receive any updates. But to save yourself some money, come to some place like Office Depot. Usually they will have sales on these products. As you can see, the sale for this Norton product is $14.99. The regular price is $49.99. So you save $35. Now that's instant savings. That means that once you purchase this, you are going to pay the $14.99. They have these sales. I don't know how often they have them, but you have to keep checking back on these websites to find it, because they come and go. There's no set time when they start. The same for McAfee. If you are a McAfee person or you want to try McAfee, McAfee also has sales. As you can see, it's $24.99 for 5 devices for 1 year, which is not a bad price. And once again, if it's asking you about renewing, don't renew it. Come back to Office Depot or Best Buy or wherever you find the sale. Even I think Amazon has them, and Newegg has them as well. I understand Newegg has some issues when it comes to downloading these programs, so I wouldn't advise going to Newegg to download these programs. Office Depot, I've never had a problem with it. I've always been able to download my products with no errors, no issues, no problems. Everything has gone through flawlessly. For future reference, once you purchase the new one, uninstall the one that's currently installed in your computer. Uninstall it fully. Don't save anything. If it asks you about saving for a future install, say no. Uninstall it completely, and then download and install the new Norton that you purchased, or the new McAfee that you purchased. Now, you do this every year, you can save yourself a lot of money. With everything going up, inflation, we need to try to save every nickel, penny, dime, and dollar that we make. So this is something that can get you to save some money. I hope this all helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, peace out.